Welcome to our classroom. In this class, we discuss the ideas of development, the second lesson. We have many aspirations, like what we have to do and how we have to live. Similarly, a country also have some aspirations. What should be a country like to be, and also, do we the country mean here the society, and same time, can we get can we get a better life, some more better life, and also what are the things we are requiring, what are the requirements. So such a way, development deals all these questions. Development involves all these questions and finds the ways to reach those goals or aspirations. Now let us look at two times. So in this class, in this lesson, we discuss two ways. Development mean, that is the development uh, about individual, development about individual, and development for a country or a state. First, we discuss individual. Suppose we take one example. For example, we take suppose you take a farmer, a prosperous farmer is there, prosperous farmer. So what is his aspiration? What is his goal generally? He wants a better price for his crop. Okay, better price. He wants better price for his crop, and also he wants labor at low wages. Labor at low wages. So these are his aspirations or goals. Now same time we see a labor, landless labor. So what may be his aspiration generally? He wants a regular work and more wages. See, so person to person, the aspirations or the goals are differ. Now we take one more example. Let's take here, write down here. Now let's think a girl in a family. You take one more example, a girl in a family. So what is her aspiration? Every time she compared to his brother. So she wants freedom and opportunity like her brother, and also responsibility sharing in household work. But what about her brother? He does not like. So by studying all these examples, we conclude that. So some examples also given in the textbook. It is given in the table. Some are done for you, and you fill the remaining blanks. Okay. By studying all these cases, we conclude that different persons have different goals. Okay. First we conclude that it's right here. What is first thing? We conclude that different persons in these examples, different persons have different goals. This is one thing. And second thing, we take one more example. So an industrialist is there. He is going to construct a project. Industrialist is there. He is going to construct a project. Now tell me, is it a development? In view of this industrialist, it is a development, because from that project we get electricity, which is very useful and essential for industries, and same time the people who are living there, the local people. Now in these local people in view of these people, it is not a development. It is destructive. They have to vacate their land, fields, and their houses, go far away places. So see the difference here. In view of this industrialist, it is a development. In view of these people, it is destructive. So we conclude that. So it is one example. The second example is given. Second example is given in the textbook, that is Kudankulam project. Kudankulam, see right here. Second example, Kudankulam nuclear project. Kudankulam nuclear project is given. Our project is given. It is given in textbook. It is in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. The same type of issue you can easily understand by reading that table. Okay. Now we conclude by studying these two examples. 1, 2. What do you understand? Here the development is controversy, contradiction, one to other here. This one also, here also. The same issue. So we conclude that what is development? The second, we conclude that what is development? What is development for one may not be development for other, and sometimes it can be destructive. So this is the second one. Already we by studying these examples, we conclude that this one, but development for one may not be development for the other in such a case. So this is about, we go to next concept. Now let's see the second concept, income and other goals. By studying the table, by studying different types of people, aspiration and goals, we conclude that income, the inner meaning is income. Income is the main factor. Income is the main component for the development. It's clear. But sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes. So what are the other goals? Income is okay, perfect. Income we accept. But sometimes, in some cases, income doesn't work. What are the other goals? We think for other activity also. What are those activities? Respect from others, freedom and equality, equal treatment and security, etc. So these are the other goals. Right, let's see one example. Suppose you are given, you get a job far away places. So though your salary is more, will you go there? Definitely you think once. The family. So how your family live there? What is the language there? Will you get the same equal treatment there? And what is the facilities are there? So in that way, then security. So all these aspects you definitely think. You keep income away, aside, and also think about these activities. Definitely that is one thing. In case one. Second case, the same thing, you get a job very close to you, your surroundings, at your hometown. Though it is a less salary than we compare to this one, definitely you choose the second one. This one you choose. This job you choose. Here income doesn't work. Definitely you see these other goals. Definitely. Now let's look one more example. Yeah, suppose you got a job. You get a job with a example private job. There is no security. So irregular job, you get an irregular job with high salary, more wage, high salary. But one more case is there here. In this case, B case, you get a job, but it's regular. Regular means you have security. Here job security is there. Though it is less salary, definitely you choose the B1. B case you choose, no doubt about it. So here in by what I want to say is here by studying all these examples, we conclude that income is not a only one factor. Definitely the other goals also there. Income mean that is money, and also the things which we get by using money, that is which we purchase by using money, these are called as material goods like money, the building, property, car. So those are all material goods. So this case, so these are, we do not get them by using money. So these are called non-material things. These are material things and these are non-material things. So whenever you think individual development, definitely not only the money or income, definitely we give importance for these things also. Nowadays, a new trend is there. People seeking for a mix of goals. A mix of goals. People are seeking for a mix of goals. What is mix of goal? Like women, take one woman. Women are engaged nowadays. Women are engaged in paid work outside. At the same time, she does in household works, and she is engaged on outside. So it means she is earning something that help her family to develop. So that is a very good sign for the society. So it is possible when women get respect from the society. So this is all about, we have discussed about individual development in this concept. Now let's move on to country state. How do we measure a country development? Let's continue our discussion.